Hey guys, what's up? I hope you're all doing fine. In today's video, I'm about to show you a method using which you'll be able to make $50 every single hour. This method is very simple. You don't need any skills to achieve success using this method. This method is going to work for everyone who is present in any part of the world. You don't have to be an expert in any particular skill to get this done because everything is done for you. I'm about to show you a method in which you can search a slogan and then you can sell it at an amazing price to customers. Now, this doesn't need you to have any kind of selling skills. Everything is going to be done for you. Customers will themselves be visiting your gigs and then they'll be purchasing it. The slogans will be generated automatically. The whole process is so smooth that even a kid with 12 years of age can do it successfully on the internet. Now, this video is not intended to be made for kids. I just want to tell you it's so simple that even you don't need any kind of higher skills. If you are just someone who knows basics of how to use a computer and internet, you know how to use a mouse, then you can do it. In fact, you can also achieve success using this method on your smartphone if you have a good one. So now, before wasting any other time, let's get started. Now I want you to go down below and write down from which country you are so that I can create more videos which are working in your countries. Now before getting started, I'll recommend you to like this video and make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get updates of our future videos as well. So let's get started. So I want you to come and go to this website called as designhill.com. So Designhill is a website which is world's #1 creative marketplace. You can see that designers from all over the world comes to this website to design. Now don't worry, you don't have to design anything, you don't have to create any kind of content or graphics or videos. I'm about to show you something very unique. So at the end of this website, there is one secret which very few people know of. So when you scroll down, go to the end, go to the end and go to the end, and then you'll find this link which is called as business tools under the tools category. So you need to click on that link. So this is a completely different thing which is not related to the core business of Designhill. You can see that they have some free small business tools online. It's a one-stop destination for all of your business needs. Now when you scroll down, you'll see that they have lots and lots of tools created here like barcode generator, QR code generator, profit margin calculator, invoice generator, PayPal fee calculator, business loan calculator, image resizer, slogan generator, resignation letter generator, Google Analytics URL generator, logo maker, business card maker, Facebook cover maker, letterhead maker, banner maker, Twitter header maker, LinkedIn banner maker, email signature generator. So you can see that there's so much of information which is available here, so many different type of tools, all which you can use for free. Now out of all of these tools, the one which is most interesting is slogan generator. Like I have seen other tools which generates invoices, I have seen other tools which calculates loans, I have seen other tools which resizes images or generate logos, but slogan generator is something very unique, and not there are many popular free apps which generate slogans for you, and these slogans are not some simple slogans. I'm actually going to show you an example in this video before we move forward. So let's talk about that example first. Like you need to click on this link, explore slogans. Now when you come to this page, you can see that it says slogan maker. Get an array of catchy and creative slogans ideas for your business projects for free. So you see this tab here which says enter a keyword, and then this button here which says search. So this is the way to generate free slogans. So let's say I want to generate a slogan with my company name, that is Unique Solutions. So when I search for it, you can see that it has generated me lots and lots of slogans. You see there is an endless slogans, like there are so many pages here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it goes on till 18 pages. So each page is having around 50 slogans, and just imagine 18 pages of 50 slogans. Imagine the amount of slogans which are generated. I'll just show you by doing a simple calculation. 18 into 50. So you see there are over 900 slogans generated in an instant. I don't think so there is more efficient method than this to generate slogans. Now these slogans are not just some basic slogans, they are really creative, they are really powerful. Like you see, unique solutions, get ready. When you've got unique solutions, flaunt it. The best darn unique solutions you can get. It all comes back to unique solutions. Do you eat the unique solutions last? Like these are all from different categories. If it would have been a restaurant, you can select this one. Now since my service is about providing solutions to people, I can use this one. It all comes back to unique solutions. I can even use this one. When you've got unique solutions, flaunt it. So these are some really creative headlines, creative solutions which can be used by all of you for free. Now this was the first half of the video where you have learned how to generate these slogans. Now I want to show you a bonus website as well on how to generate these slogans. So there's this website called as sloganslingers.com. You can go to this website and click on get a slogan, and then it will ask you for some information like your email address, password, name of the company, brief description and all of that stuff. And then you can select these stuff, and then it will generate a unique slogan for you. But I don't think so anything comes as close to Slogan Maker from Design Hell in terms of creative slogans. You see, they have given me 900 plus solutions without typing in any work. Like this will require me to add so many different things, but this website here is doing it for absolutely free within just a second. It didn't even took a second. So you see how powerful this website is. Now let's talk about how to sell these slogans so that you can start making money out of this. So I'm showing you two different type of websites where you can sell it. One of them is Fiverr. So Fiverr is the world's biggest marketplace to find freelancers. You can come to Fiverr and search for slogan, and then you'll see that people are making a lot of money selling slogan. Now when I search for it, you can see that I will create 10 catchy slogans for $45. Just imagine 10 catchy slogans which you have already generated in an instant, and this guy can make up to $45. And it is not some gig which is selling at a lower price. You see, there are over 363 reviews of him. That means he has sold it at least 500 to 600 times, and out of that 350 plus people have reviewed him, and they've given him $45 for these 10 lines which will hardly take you a minute to copy. I will create 5 brand names or slogans, $30. I will create original engaging slogans, $25. I'll find unique brand names and slogans, $60. Just imagine the money which lies in this industry, how much money you can make without doing any hard work. Now another website which I want to show you is called as peopleperhour.com. Here as well you can search for freelancers, search for projects, etc. Here as well you can find lots of creative projects. If I search for slogan here and I hit the enter, now when I search for slogan here, you can see that there are a lot of people who are looking for slogans and they are willing to pay a lot of money, as you can see on the right hand side. Now these all slogans can be mixed with company names. It all depends on what their company name is. You can create a slogan for that using our simple application of Slogan Maker by Design Hell. Now I want you to go down below and tell me that which website did work for you. You like Fiverr better or do you like people per hour? I personally think Fiverr will work better in your case. Now in Fiverr you don't have to go and apply on projects. You just have to create your own gig and upload your services. So just go to Fiverr, sign up now and create a gig with your service. I am a slogan maker. I charge this much for 10 slogans or 20 slogans or 100 slogans or 800 slogans. It doesn't matter because we are generating over 900 slogans in an instant using this amazing application. So guys, before I quit, I would like to introduce you to this amazing application called as Pockets. Now this application has been proven to make over $517 daily for my own friend Sion. Now he don't need any kind of computer to do this thing. He's banking $517 online every single day by just using this application. This application provides him with free traffic, and now it's your turn to generate this kind of money online by coming to this web page and clicking on this button right here. Now you can even see a daily sales screenshot of the amount of money he's able to earn, and not only that, you'll also get access to some other bonuses when you click here. So go to the link in the description right now and get instant access to Pockets app and start making money online. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Now before you quit, I would like you to like this video and press the subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you get notifications of our future videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.